Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today as I am working on my refrigerator to do some organization. It's gotten a little out of hand and it has been just a full-on mess. Here you can see just how crazy my refrigerator is. We are a working family. We have a daughter in school, and so our refrigerator just reflects just stuff that we need to go through, get rid of, and just to organize. So I have bought some bins, and we'll show you those a little bit later in the video. But just look at how crazy my refrigerator is. So here you'll see I have some fridge bin liners, which I actually did not end up using. And all of the bins that I did get that I show you here, from the egg containers and all the other bins, I got at TJ Maxx. And they have such a great variety. So if you're trying to organize your bins, it's just really fantastic. So here you can see that I am taking everything out of the refrigerator. You saw my daughter walk in the background. And I had so much stuff that I had to kind of get rid of, and just did not realize how much of a mess my refrigerator was until I really got started into this project. But it was so nice to do, and it just turned out fantastic. I know that I have a lot of creamers, but we're a household of coffee drinkers, and I only have 1 cup a day, but we like our different coffee creamers, and especially pumpkin spice. Now here's a little bit of embarrassment. As you get a close-up of my refrigerator, I did not realize how dirty and how much of a cleaning it truly needed until I took everything out. Look at that. Just, oh my goodness, look at all that. Just craziness, absolute craziness in my refrigerator. And yes, I've jumped on the Grove bandwagon. I've been watching so many different ladies on YouTube, and so I had to try it myself, and I will have to say it is a really good product and definitely worth it if you have the resources and something you want to try different. And it is economical and it's environmentally safe. as you can see, it took a little scrubbing on my shelves. They were in pretty rough shape, but it turned out really good, and I was really happy in the end how it turned out. Look at that, looks so pretty, all nice and clean. I'm so happy. It really needed it. So here I am going through all of the items in our refrigerator, looking for expiration dates, seeing what was good, anything I needed to get rid of, or anything that I wanted to keep. You'll see random fingers and things in the video. My sister-in-law was my cameraman and was very, very helpful on this day with shooting the video and helping me stay on track. And in the background on the TV, I'm going to give a shout out to a lady that I've been following since my diagnosis with MS, Miss Tiffany Michelle, and her cleaning channel. And she has a channel called Tiff Family Vibes. Check her out. She's really, really good. She was one of the first channels that I found after I was diagnosed with my MS. So she's been along the entire journey with me. So these egg containers here are amazing, but I will let you know, do not, I repeat, do not put them in the dishwasher. As I had a casualty, I have lost one. It warped it and bent it and it was no longer usable. Hand wash only. Apparently I did not get that memo. I would like to point out that the Coffee Mate brands fit nicely in those containers. The International Delight are a little bit ornery. So I make it work, but it's a little bit of a tight fit. This third bin was a little fun because of our water filter. I didn't realize that it wouldn't fit with the taller items in it, so I kind of went in, went out, went back in, but in the end it worked. It's a good idea when you're organizing the bins that you put like items together, so when you go looking for something, you're not having to search the entire refrigerator for 1 or 2 items that you need. Look at this, you guys. It was unbelievable how much space we opened up in the refrigerator. I could not believe how amazing it looked. I was so happy with this project. I'd planned to do the shelves on the doors as well, but just with the MS, doing what I did was as much as I could do on this day. But I was so happy with how much I got done because it made such a big difference. So thank you so much for joining me today on my channel. Thank you for being here as I organize one section of my refrigerator, but it made a huge difference. And if you liked what you see, please consider subscribing. Thank you and have an amazing and blessed day. Bye.